this may not seem like an important document on its face, but it is critical. It's almost like the constitution of the business. We're talking about how the voting is happening, who's voting on what, what's a major decision, what happens when the business is sold, what if you're at a stalemate, you typically need a buy sell provision. What happens if someone gets divorced? What happens like to their shares? Is their partner going to own those shares? Are they going to participate in the business? What happens upon the death of a partner? And you'd be amazed that having just the conversation with your partner is incredibly clarifying. So when these business owners are sort of forced to, because we send them a list of questions, we meet with them, when they're kind of talking to each other, we can hear a lot of aha moments, a lot of moments where like, oh, I didn't realize I was actually responsible for that, or I didn't realize this is how you felt about this. So when they're starting their business, just having those conversations, putting it on paper, forces them to talk about things. In a sense, a business partnership is a type of marriage, and it's important to have very clear communication. And I think somewhere along the way, these core conversations don't occur until they're forced to happen. And when they're forced to happen, it's good for the business, it's healthy for the partnership. And oh gosh, it really reduces the number of disputes later on. And when there is a partner dispute at an operating agreement, it is quite difficult.
No, it's yeah, there's a lot of things there to unpack, I think.